So today, me and my friend Shiloh,
Hi.
She came over to my house, and then we just kind of like started getting like out all of my doll stuff, and like
my dolls.
and she brought hers, and then we have like 9 dolls in total. So like we like did all of their hair. Look how good I did her hair.
I did her hair like this.
Like I did a pretty good hairdo.
I did her hair like it has like a braid down.
And it's super cute. So like we like got like all of our doll clothes, and like we had like friends, and we're just gonna like play with it later today. We might like take
we're gonna
Lady
take
on a
Lady
walk.
on like a walk, and we might go to like the gas station.
Or like
and stuff.
ice cream or something like that.
Yeah.
We don't really know. And look how cute. She has this doll. Look how cute. Like,
I don't know what to name him though.
yeah, we don't know what to name him. Wait, I thought Boston at first, because he looks like a Boston.
But her brother's name is Boston, so like
and Boston's literally like right out the door.
He's
so
out the door.
we don't really know what to do.
Yeah. I was thinking kind of like a Dylan, but she doesn't want that.
Because I have a friend named Dylan. So we just barely got out, and we're taking Lady on a walk. I think we're gonna walk down to the gas station.
Yeah.
But so we're like down the street. I love seeing all like the trees
Yeah.
like starting to like fall off.
Pretty. And like the
So.
Halloween decorations too, like the pumpkins. Oh, hi.
Hi. When me and Shiloh very first became friends, like we like didn't talk as much.
So I saw her in my PE class, and I like kind of was nervous because, you know, I've seen like her videos before. I had someone ask to be friends for me just because I thought she would think that I would just wanted to be friends with her
Hey, come.
because you know, she had a YouTube channel. But before I met her, I wanted to be friends with her because she seemed like nice and cool and like funny and stuff, but I thought she lived far away, so I never would get to like meet her. PE is the only class I have with Olivia.
Yeah.
I caught up to them and they were talking about what Vans they should get, and I was like, I want to get like a light blue, and then Olivia was like, yeah, that would be so cute on you, and then we started talking. And like that's how we basically became like best friends.
Yeah, and then we like
because of Vans,
yeah.
which we are wearing right now.
Yeah, we're both. She's wearing black ones.
Mine are freaking cool, so I had to get new ones.
Yeah, I'm wearing yellow ones. Yellow's probably like my favorite color. Everything yellow I love. So like yellow Vans, yellow scrunchies, like those are my favorite.
I like baby blue. Like my favorite colors are like midnight blue, like a teal blue.
So we just got to the gas station. We have to like take turns because I don't know if they allow pets in the store.
We could see, we could ask.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask them and see.
And we could hold her too. She's small enough.
No, we can fit her in my backpack. we're gonna put her in my backpack. Okay, watch this. Let's try and do this.
Also, this is it.
No, she's hyperallergenic too. Okay, fit in there, puppy. Oh, she's too big. She's way too big. No, we're just gonna hold her like this. Okay, I got my backpack. She fits in the tiny backpack. Look at me, I'm wearing a dog. We got a drink and then we got some candy. We hid Lady in the in my backpack, and the guy, he was like, do you guys have a dog in that backpack? I'm like, yeah, but he's my friend, so he's really nice. And he was like, we don't really care. I was like, yes, so like took her out, and then we put our candy in the backpack. And then when we walked out, this nice lady in the car, she's going past, and she's like, your dog is so cute. I was like,
Thank you.
yeah, that like made my day. I think we're gonna go home and like eat a treat and like watch a movie or something.
Yeah, we got, we'll show you what we got from the store. It'll be a surprise.
Uh-huh. I got the sweet tart ones. They're kind of big, but they look super good. So I'm gonna get those, and then I got Skittles. Oh, and then I have peach rings. Now, I got them. Oh, hi, lady. You are so tired. She's so tired. She walked with us that entire way.
I love M&M's. And then Airhead, soft-filled bites.
Found her itchy spot.
Look.
She's just like nimmy, nimmy, nimmy. These are really good. They look like licorice, but they're sweet. She's like sitting there like, give me some.
We're watching
a TV show that's really funny.
Yeah, it's on Netflix. You should check it out. It's called Some Assembly Required.
Cupcake.
What the? Cupcakes?
Cupcakes. Can't spell cupcakes or something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we need a mixer.
I'm guessing this is for the cupcakes. Or which one is bigger? Which one do we?
Cupcakes and frosting.
Yeah, cupcakes and frosting. Okay, we have to wait for the oven to heat up, but.
We made, okay, so we went and watched a video of how to like make cupcakes and we did it, yeah. We made it wrong. We added all the ingredients like, at the same time and she was like, go once at a time. And we were like, oh, come on. But it ended up looking like the same.
Yeah, but we added a cup of sugar instead of 3/4.
So they're gonna be extra sugary, and instead of doing almond,
we did lemon.
We did lemon. So they're gonna turn out like lemon cupcakes with like vanilla frosting. So
yeah,
we'll just see how that ends up.
We're gonna do like all of the colors that she has just for like
for fun.
Red, yeah. Red could be
like
for like Cody and Boston and Lincoln. You have something on your forehead too.
I know, I put that there. So we are ninja baking warriors that has failed. We had to start all over, so like you could like see like we made a huge mess. Like we had to like chuck it off because like we totally did it wrong. And then we were like, we're gonna put frosting on our face.
Look, I have a blue.
We could do makeup. We could like be like a little blush here, a little. Oh wow, it tastes good. We made baby color, so I did like yellow and pink. She did blue. We had to clean up all of this. This is not. It's not fun cleaning it up.
We got the second batter done. It's super liquidy, which is how it was in the video. Our other one was horrible. Like, yeah, you saw it was like super chunky.
Look, it's like
and like some were like liquidy and stuff. Like there's like crust around. So we're gonna try these. I think we added like too much sugar or like too much baking powder.
Yeah, I think it was too much baking powder. And they like
because it like can like rise up, and it like did.
Look at my checklist. We had to follow all of this. Like I literally went through and wrote all of it down. Like I was like, we had to have it perfect. They look good. But we still have like 16 minutes left, so we'll just see.
Timer's going on there.
If you guys want to bake, we will put the Griffiths cookbook in the description below. It's a little blurry. But in the back, we have like a picture of it. And I did not want to get messy. See, like I'm not messy, my hands are. Like, look at everybody. Like I hate to have like chocolate in my hair.
Yeah. Wow, they're young. Like, how long ago?
Look at Lincoln. He still has his long hair. They got ice cream.
Uh-oh.
We have 9 minutes.
Did you put too little?
They're starting to bubble. They might be ready in time. If not, we'll like put them in for like 5 more minutes and see what happens. The cupcakes turned out actually really good. Yeah, we're doing the second batch because they come out so small, but look how much that's full.
Yeah, I did the first time, I did like a cup and then I did like an extra one, but I guess that was too much, so.
And it took us 2 hours just to make a cupcake. But we made a good batch and the frosting's good. I can't wait to tell everybody. 3, 2, 1.
That's good. That's really good.
That's actually really good. It's a little sticky though.
That's good. This is mine. Let's see. Yeah.
I'm like trying to like.
And then this one. So this one, that one, and that one's mine. That one's the extra one that she has. She just gave me extra because she's nice.
We should divide it.
I don't. And then this is hers. They're really cute. I said, and we both said they kind of look like unicorn.
Yeah, I said it looks like unicorn food, but I was like, well, they're good and they're edible unicorn food. So.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. So,
okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.